Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK. Today we are making noodle salad with stir-fried beef or bún thịt bò xào in Vietnamese to enjoy in the hot summer days. Please watch to the end of this video to know how to make this delicious meal. To make 3 bowls like this, we need 300 g beef, 250 g dry rice noodle, 200 g onion, 100 g carrot, half of cucumber, lettuce, herbs and chives, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, pepper. I put a pot containing 1 liter water on the hob to boil the noodles. Turn the hob to medium heat. While waiting for the water to boil, I marinate beef. After the beef is cut to thin slices as this, I chop a clove of garlic to put into the beef. I continue putting in sugar, seasoning powder, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and a little pepper. Mix them well, cover and put in the fridge. Now, the water in the pot is boiling. I put the noodle in to boil. Turn the herb to the low heat and come back to prepare the other ingredients. I now cut the carrot into thin strips. Put them in the bowl with 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2½ tablespoons of vinegar. Mix them well and let them stand aside. I come back to the noodles and check if it is cooked, not overcooked. Drain it and put it into the cold water. Stir them in the waters as I'm doing. Drain it, then put it back in the boiling water again. Drain it and let it stand aside. I now cut the onions into smaller parts and separate the layers of onions. Put these aside and then I fry them with beef. I now cut the herbs, lettuce, cucumber into small pieces. I cut the chives to small pieces, put them in a small bowl with a teaspoon of oil, and put the bowl in the microwave for 20 seconds. Now I chop a clove of garlic to put into the sauce. That includes 12 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or fish sauce, and half a tablespoon of organic apple vinegar. You can chop hot chili and put in if you prefer. I put these ingredients into a bowl and will add the sauce later. You can put in some unsalted roast peanut, put a saucepan on the hob. Turn the hob to the high heat. Put in 1 teaspoon oil. Put in the 1/3 of onion to fry until its color change. Put in 1/3 of beef. Stir quickly until the beef is cooked and not overcooked. I suggest the stir-fry beef is made a portion at a time. Pour in the bowl of salad. Now I add the sauce. Mix the salad up and serve. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, Please press like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. It would help if you could put your comments on this video so we can improve our future presentations.